After a chilly night at Gorak Shep, where I think most people did not get a lot of sleep, we have our day packs on and we're making our way to Everest Base Camp.
What's good?
Yo, what's good?
What's good?
Yo, Christmas, only 3 days away.
No, safety served.
We've made it to Everest Base Camp, and as a throwback to freshman year, I carried the Cheez-Its all the way up here. Shout out the Walgreens on South Golden Road. So we're at Everest Base Camp right now. We're about to bust into the Cheez-Its. Wonderful. Delicious. 10 out of 10. Yo, I think this guy,
Yes.
I think he looks like he wants some Cheez-Its.
Oh, yes, please.
Let's get the man some Cheez-Its.
Thank you very much. Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
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 Yo, this man over here.
Yeah, you know.
Spreading the love.
You know.
Cheez-It, sponsor us.
I kind of want some more.
Yeah, that's the thought right there, man.
Sponsor us, please. Hey! You can hear the Khumbu icefall slowly moving while you stand here. You just hear like minor cracks in the ice, minor shifts in the ice. It's super cool. Right there's where we saw the avalanche slide yesterday when we were on top of Kalapatar.
No. That's for more. Where are these helicopters?
This is cool and all, but like, where can I like watch Family Guy up here? It's like kind of boring.
Yeah, there's no Subway Surfer screen, and I'm a little pissed about it.
We made it back to Gorak Shep and gathered up all of our stuff, and now we're gonna start heading back down the valley. So we'll have a few days trekking down, and then we're gonna have several days volunteering in Lakpa and Sonam's home village, Singma. So definitely over the hump of the trip and working our way down in elevation now. There's Trevor.
Hey there.
Goldenrod and the 4-H stone, the things I brought you when I found out you had cancer of the bone. father cried on the telephone, and he drove his car into the Navy Yard just to prove that he was sorry. In the morning, through the window shade, when the light pressed up against your shoulder blade, I could see.
So we've been naming all of the dogs that follow us around Kobe River because we missed Kobe and we wish he was here. So this is Kobe number 6. The dog on Kalapatar last night, that was Kobe number 5. He was probably the chillest of them all. But, you know, Kobe number 6 is all right.
Tuesday night at the Bible study, we lift our hands and pray over your body, but nothing ever happens. I remember at Michael's house in the living room when you kissed my neck and I almost touched your blouse. In the morning at the top of the stairs when your father found out what we did that night and you told me you were scared. All the glory when you ran outside with your shirt tucked in and your shoes untied and you told me not to follow you.
So we just ate dinner at the tea house. Now we're going to
Let's go.
anyways, yeah, we're going to this coffee shop that is Sonam's cousins in Dingboche, and it's December 30th, but we're gonna have like a early an early New Year's Eve celebration. Yo, and we got Kobe number 6 pulling up to the function.
In the morning when you finally go and the nurse runs in with her head hung low and the car leads the window. In the morning, in the winter shade, on the 1st of March, on the holiday, I thought I saw you breathing. All the glory that the Lord has made, and the complications when I see his face, in the morning, in the window. All the glory when he took our place, but he took my shoulders and he shook my face, and he takes and he takes and he takes.
So today we are making the trek from Dingboche to Namche Bazaar, and it's a pretty special day, not only because it's New Year's Eve, December 31st, but more importantly, because I think it's going to be my first shower in 15 days, which is the longest I've ever gone without showering in my life. for 20 years.
Yo, he got the new hiking poles.
Okay, they're breaking.
Sonam told us that the elevation gain from the river would be gradual. Maybe this is gradual if you're a Sherpa. We have reached the trail junction where, however many days ago, we split off and left to go to Fort Say. And now we're done with the huge lollipop loop. And now we retrace our steps all the way back to Lukla. Steve and I have made it back to Namche Bazaar.
Four, three, two, one. Happy New Year!
Bro's like, nah, I'm good. He's so good. Look how good he is. Damn right, Shotty. Gotta get my bag. Our backyard though, he's so good. Yeah.
Wow, looks so good.
So this is Lakba and Sonam's home that they grew up in. And this is the village of Sangma, all down here, where we will be doing some volunteer work for the next few days.